So, got a new lock, well actually a really old lock. This thing is like from, I don't know, it's a million years old. It's so old that you can't just push it back into place. You actually have to have the key turned to relock it, because it's that old. So, oops, I got a little bit bent. I actually found out how to pick this thing. So, this mechanism is so old, like, look at that, versus, look at that, you see all the different things. I actually have to use Big Pick, which I almost never use, to get the right amount of tension in here, and then see if I can do it again. Oops. Oh. It started turning. This is actually like a really good lock because it's so hard to get the tension wrench set correctly for it to be able to unlock. Damn it. Okay. I think I'm actually going to have to do this upside down. I did it right side up last time, but this might work better. Nope. I swear I did this like a minute ago. The wrench just keeps falling out. Oh, someone's texting me. Oh joy, oh wow. Damn it. Who is texting me? One new message from Chloe. Do a second. So, since this is not going as planned, I'll kind of talk about how my life is going. As you guys probably know, I'm in two plays. I'm in Check Please Take Two, which is, I guess, best described as similar to 50 First Dates. And then I'm in This Is a Test, which is about this guy who kind of has a mental breakdown while taking this midterm, and starts hallucinating, and it's a lot of fun. In Check Please Take Two, I am playing Dewey, whose character is supposed to be a quote-unquote extreme accountant, and he's a really funny character, really fun to play. Ha! Got it. Really fun to play, and also like pretty hard to play. There's some things that the character does that I can do easily, like his lines are pretty easy to memorize, but there's this monologue, kind of, it's a pretty short monologue he has at the end, where he's talking about how he likes to stay extreme in his spare time, and so he does like random things extremely, one of which is walking, another is reading a menu, and then flossing his teeth finally. And last night during rehearsal, I was doing that, and actually made my gums bleed from doing the flossing to the extreme. So I'm trying to figure out how I can floss my teeth without flossing my teeth. And my director gave me a few tips, but I'm just trying to figure out like which would look more real. Yeah. I'm going out to breakfast with some friends, and then I got homework, So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.